Hey, this is Ryan Adams with Real Broker.
And this is Mashoud Adams with Real Broker. And welcome to our newest listing here in Sienna. This is one of the most impressive luxury homes in Sienna right now on the market.
And if you're looking for new construction, I want you to pause, wait a minute, because you're about to see something that blows it out of the water with all the amazing upgrades, and wait till you see this backyard.
This home's fit for either a family style home or an entertainer's delight, or both. You've got 5 bedrooms, French doors, luxury finishes all throughout, and this roundabout driveway really sets the home apart.
And let me just tell you, you don't have to sit around and wait for a builder to build your home. This home is completely done with this amazing pool in the backyard. I'm telling you guys, you gotta check out this home. Let's go do it.